I am that guy.
Hey everyone, Ice King here. Hope you enjoyed the little Expanse reference for the intro there. That was pretty funny, so we ran with it. But I wanted to take this time while the time lapse is going to reference how we choose and how we decide colors. And it's mostly me. I do a lot of the color choices and stuff. And the way I usually look at it is I take the studio scheme, and you'll see later in the video that we have a good reference for that, like what color we swapped. But we take a reference of the studio scheme, see what color's there, and then we swap them. So we pick a color palette. Maybe it's like blues and greens, and then we decide, oh, swap that part of him to blue, swap that part of him to green. And then once you just figure out what colors sit where the best, then you can just run with it. And then it's really easy to implement across the whole army because then Privateer Press did all the easy work for you. They chose where to put colors. You already chose where to swap colors, so all you have to do is look at Privateer Press's logo, or not their logo, the reference image, and be like, oh, boom, done, easy swap. And like you'll that's the easiest way I found to do color swaps and like just save so much headache trying to figure, is this what this is supposed to be? Is that what that's supposed to be? If you just choose the swap and set that in stone when you do your scheme in the beginning, it's gonna save you a lot of time later down the line, and you can just do easy swaps. As new model comes out, oh cool, and then you already have a reference basically. So yeah, and that's what I usually do when it comes to just picking the how we swap colors. Picking the colors, you kind of just gotta look for things that inspire you. Like for the Orgoth, it was the Sazabi from Gundam, Char's counterattack, Sazabi, black, gold, all that stuff. For this, we went with Cyberpunk. There was like the bright, punchy colors, but then we toned it down a little bit because they're in a cave. And then for anything else, I just kind of look for a reference. If I like it, and I'm like, there it is. You'll know when you see it. You gotta let your heart guide you. I know that seems kind of silly, but that's really how I decide things. I thought that would be a fun little part to share, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the video. All right, see ya. Bye bye.
So we're doing, first one is Grim Black for his skin. Alright, so next color is going to be Absolution Green. We're going to do that on all the bluish armor scales on him. So we're looking at chin, face, kind of chesties. Okay. Start with a chest. Okay, so we're going with the insides. We're trying to stay away from the yellow part. All right, we're going to try this. Holy white on the other side of the armor. I'm not sure I have faith. Get it? Holy white. Have faith? Nope, nobody? Okay.
Oh, they got it. It just wasn't funny.
You know what? some people just can't appreciate, fine art like this. We're gonna do with Purple Swarm for the bones and the fingernails. Let's start with the fingernails down here. I guess cloth next. The purple, or I mean the pink.
Yeah.
All right, we're going with familiar pink for all this. Getting the big brush out for this one. We're gonna do a maize yellow. Yeah, whatever. We're a test model. I think we add pops of color. Help break up the model. Let's see. So we're doing the hilt yellow, you said?
Yeah, and then the top part of the sword before it meets the metal. And we can even tag Duncan Rhodes in this. Be like, hey, you were inspiration.
Yeah, okay. Alright, we're gonna do a little bit of touch up with Pro Acryl Heavy Titanium White. Oh. We're gonna open it on camera.
You can just use the lid part.
Yep.
That's what I tend to do for the little stuff right away.
Now we're going with Plasmatic Bolt. Alright, so we're gonna do the base in dark wood.
Remember, you don't have to paint the middle because that's where the model's going to be.
Well, I mean, I'm painting it no matter what, so. gonna use Moonlight Coral and Raging Sea.
Ooh, actually, there's some fucking shamrock green.
Oh, and some Shamrock. Ooh, we getting crazy up in here. Let's go with the Shamrock first.
All right, hey everybody, Ice King here. Taking over a little bit for the end video because we had to do some. I posted some pictures, you all saw them probably, and this is just kind of like a after report. We're like, we don't like these colors, so we swapped some things. So in the video, you'll see we painted with something, but it's kind of like it doesn't matter. I changed it. So here's the changes. As you can see here, he is much brighter now. The skin changed. That's the biggest change. The neck, we changed like the skin color from black to the gray. And yeah, I'm very happy with these changes. He looks way better. So we changed the armor plates to a mixture, which I'll show you in a second. We'll do a full little spinorama real quick. Yeah, way better. I painted the straps there. We're good. And then here's the full painted model. Yeah. Pretty happy with it. Yeah, this is a thank you for watching, and sorry it was a little edited at the end for this, but I'll do my best, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Alright, see ya.